The simple truth is, if we can get more people to eat more mushrooms and less meat, then we've done our part. My name's Kyle and I'm the founder of Fungifarm. We're a small-scale urban mushroom farm here in Copenhagen, which focuses on sustainability and quality. When I moved to Denmark from California, I got really in touch with the forests, and I really fell in love with all the tastes and textures I could get on the forest floor. This mushroom is known to help treat stomach viruses, which is freaking super cool. We were able to clone a mushroom found in a local forest called the coral tooth mushroom. It's actually red listed due to habitat decline. Now that we were able to isolate this coral tooth mushroom culture, we can grow as much of it as we like and ensure that this mushroom doesn't disappear. Mushrooms don't only provide an amazing source of nutrient-rich food for us to consume. Mushrooms can be used to create new novel medicines, alternative building materials and packaging materials, reduce plastic waste and create foam that we can just toss in our compost pile. All you need is a tiny piece of clean tissue culture, and that tissue culture can then expand and grow almost indefinitely. Once the mushroom's ready to be picked, it's harvested, boxed, put in a refrigerator, and then sent off to one of the local restaurants. There's so much more that mushrooms can be, and we're so proud of the little impact we've made so far, but we know we're at the very beginning of a big wave that's coming, and we're just happy to be along for the ride.